Hello there. Today, we're excited to introduce the little tree wood end table with 2 drawers, a versatile and stylish addition to any home. This vintage slim nightstand requires no assembly, saving you time and effort, and is crafted from premium Oak Higher E1 MDF board, ensuring it's both eco-friendly and durable. With dimensions of 23.6 inches in length and height, and 10.8 inches in width, this space-saving table offers ample storage with its 2 sliding drawers, perfect for keeping your living space tidy and organized. Whether you place it next to your sofa, use it as a bedside table, or even as an accent piece in your office, its classic early America-style design in brown will complement any decor. The smooth, easy-to-clean surface and unique art design not only add elegance but also ensure safety, making it gentle to the touch and reducing the risk of accidents. Enjoy a cozy evening with this sturdy and multifunctional table, ideal for holding everything from TV remotes and snacks to lamps and photos. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and style with the little tree wood end table, designed to enhance your home life with comfort and sophistication. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.